up guys, Shaw here with SSR Performance, and I'm here with my friend Abe. This is his 2017 Aston Martin DB11, and we went ahead and did a nice little upgrade for this car. So Abe has Apple CarPlay in his other car, so we went ahead and updated it with the Aston Installations Apple CarPlay upgrade kit. And as you guys can see, this is just an iPhone charger here. No extra cables or anything. No additional added buttons. Nothing that you would see on this car that you wouldn't see with a stock DB11.
Yeah,
right?
it looks completely stocked out.
And that was really important to you, obviously.
Yeah, I mean, this car is known for having like really immaculately done interiors, and I just want to make sure that we kept all of that as stock as possible.
Correct. Our master technician Rick actually gave Abe a breakdown on how to use the new system that we just installed. Let's start off on the regular Aston Martin's infotainment system. This is the OEM system that comes in this vehicle.
The OEM system is it's old. I mean, it works technically, but it's not really modern enough for really what I want to do. I mean, you can see kind of like this is the phone controls. I mean, how do you make it? How do you dial like with this? You know, it's like it wasn't designed properly. There's no call history log or anything like that.
And this is a 2017. So for 2017, you expected a little bit more, right?
Yeah, even when it came out, like it was a little outdated. So like, even the new cars that come out now don't have this kind of system. So.
Sure. So let's show them how we get into the actual Apple CarPlay. So
yeah,
it actually takes over your buttons here. So you have to go in media interface 2. Right, so media.
So media, just like the old system is so
hard
clunky.
to use. Yeah, it's not user friendly at all.
I have to
hold on the back button, and there we go.
And
so
it pops into CarPlay, and then I can do stuff like I can navigate to this local restaurant on my phone, start, and then scroll over to the Maps button, and it's moved. And that's the navigation. It's so convenient to just be able to like have your friends text you the address of a restaurant,
right? And
boom, it pops up like this is where we're going.
So let's try doing a phone call. Like try calling my phone and
yeah, let's give Shaw a call. So I'm giving Shaw a call. It shows up on the screen immediately, and I can talk with the stock microphone system, you know, and use the steering wheel buttons to hang up. You know, I'm done talking to him and I hang up on him on the steering wheel. These are the stock buttons, this is the stock system, and so it's just super integrated. This is exactly what I wanted.
Let's play some music.
Yeah, absolutely. So I just started playing with Spotify on my phone, you know, the newest hits, top hits.
And if you want to go ahead and change the music you're listening to.
Yeah, I mean, I can go to any of my playlists. Like, let's go to these different Spotify playlists.
And would you say this is almost exactly comparable to what you expect in like your other car that you have Apple CarPlay?
This is exactly the Apple CarPlay system that I had in my BMW.
Okay, awesome.
My brand new BMW. So I'm with Apple CarPlay. You can rearrange the apps. So I'm putting like Google Maps ahead. And taking Apple Maps off because I use Google Maps more.
Gotcha. Putting
up Spotify because I don't use Apple Music. Putting up the podcast app because I use that. CarPlay has so many features that people wouldn't expect. Like, you know, you have access to your entire calendar on here. So if you have meetings coming up and you're driving, like it'll pop up for you. So you don't have to use your phone. You know, using your phone can be dangerous sometimes. And so you have your phone here in the screen. You don't have to grab for it, look down. I mean, that's a calendar right now.
And you said that if you have a meeting, let's just say you're driving, you have a meeting 30 minutes and you realize, oh man, I'm late. It's gonna give you an option that actually pops up that tells you could just click call, and it'll just, if you have a phone number connected with that meeting with the person you're supposed to meet with, it'll just give you a phone number. You click call and boom, now you're just calling the person that, hey, look, I'm running 5 minutes late, I'll be right there. Yeah. So on and so forth.
I mean, it works like sometimes it. So that's your, hey Siri, call Shaw.
Calling Shah Siddiqui Mobile.
Awesome.
I'm using Siri. I mean, that's Siri.
And you did that straight from your steering wheel, right?
Stock buttons, stock system.
That's awesome. And there you go. My phone is ringing. You can actually use all the OEM buttons that are on the steering wheel as well. So this is quite literally a fully integrated system, really. Yeah. When you think about it.
And that was really important to me. I did not want to get a system which had to add a mic or a separate button. Yeah,
or like a separate button where you have to answer the phone call while using this random button that you just, had to drill a hole into your stomach. Yeah. This is straight up, you can answer phone calls, you can hang up, you can use Siri directly all from the steering wheel, and of course you do have all your
and this is it. I mean, this is
iOS apps.
These are all the iOS apps.
Yeah, this is a great system. I said it once, I'm going to say it again. If I'm getting an Aston Martin, this is the first thing that I'm looking into. With the newer models, it works fully integrated like you're seeing it on this model here. However, with some of the older ones, you are required, I'm sure you saw, you are actually required to add in a couple buttons and whatnot. It's still well integrated.
The older ones don't have
the controls. So you physically wouldn't be able to navigate through the Apple CarPlay, which of course would would cause an issue. So in this case, with the 17 and newer, I believe all of them are fully integrated where you don't have to add a single console module, any buttons, anything that looks like it's not OEM. Yeah, again, this is the first modification that I think any Aston Martin owner should be doing to their car if they're using an iPhone, because it just makes life so much easier. Yeah. So there you have it, guys. This system is available for all Aston Martin models, and if you guys are looking to pretty much advance this car into the next generation of cars, which I feel like it would have been nice to have that from factory, we could do it. It doesn't change the car whatsoever, and you really get to have that neat usability and utility with your cell phone, and just straight clean integration, really clean interface.
Yeah, this has just been great for me. I really love the experience of working with you in your shop, and you guys are professionals and you guys know what you're doing. So
thank you, man.
Yeah,
I appreciate that, and a big shout out to Aston Installations. Great people over there. They provided us the system pretty quickly. We ordered it, arrived, you dropped your car off, and within a couple of days you had it back, and I'm sure you're really excited to leave now, so we're gonna let you hit the road, and thank you for stopping by, man.
Thanks, Sean.
Appreciate it.